Okay, next. Ate, ate. Awak. Aha, red, no? Okay. Slowly, slowly.
Slowly but sure.
Wow.
Yung ano yung chocolate?
Open it. Open it, eh?
Just open it.
Yan, envelope yan, no? Ay, ba?
Binigyan ko may pera. Ay, meron bang laman? Baka very surprise naman yan.
$2.
Okay. It's how many things? Just things. Wow. Oh.
Wala. Next. Next. Jelly. Chocolate, come on.
Bakit wala? Chocolate? Ito lang?
Oh.
Ano?
Open it, open.
Yan lang. Buksan niya. Tapos ano? Baka may pasigunda.
Yeah. Open it. Open it. Oh, slowly. Oh.
Dandan.
Wow. Thank you, Mama.
Easy lang. Easy lang.
Come here, Ice.
It's okay.
Jason.
Jason. Ano?
Jason.
Jason.
Dark chocolate. White chocolate. White chocolate. White chocolate. Slowly.
Baka puputok.
Walang laman yan, walang laman. Ha? Walang laman yan.
Oh.
Oh.
Dahan-dahan lang.
Chocolate.
Guys. Ang chocolate is very, very good gift. You know? It's from
Wow.
Canada.
Ah.
Dahan-dahan lang. Oh.
Wala.
Yun o. Meron din yun. Ano yan? Kasi very ano yan. Oh.
Kita no.
Oh. Help mommy.
Wow.
Yun o.
Napunit na. Nalasing.
Okay pa. Ah.
Inubos yun ang tip ko.
Kasi
Next.
bibili tsokolate, may karga sa loob.
Wow.
Ganun yan.
Jake.
Jake! Ay! Meron ka. Meron silang pinalipad.
Jake. Give it to
Buto
boy.
di,
Slowly, no? $2. Wala si Ero, maliit pa.
Siyan, sa pa. Tagay ko. Please.
Open it na.
That easy.
There is no envelope. No envelope.
Ha?
Chocolate, no envelope.
Oh, you hiding, no? Don't hide. Be wrong. Hiding is no good. Just put whatever you take it, just take things. That's it.
Wala si ano, Adrian.
Wala siya.
Poco-poco. Wow! Wala si Adrian.
No. We wish. What you wish? You have one too?
Wala
Wala
siya.
wish?
Wala siya.
Tell me. You wanna wish? Wish. I wish.
Adrian.
I have two. Ah! I got you. You wanna wish? Oh, come on. Open it.
Open it.
Ha? Baka pala talaga. Hindi, kaya...
Tinipong ko tanatip ko sa kita ko.
Adria, poko-poko, no?
Poko, Adrian.
Asli, iwan nga mo, baka mapunit. Just give me like this. Oh, yan. They don't want the chocolate, the only money they want.
Ipa-price.
Pili ka mo, dapat pila ba na pilat man.
Chocolate negro, I don't like it.
Si Adrian, mangyak-ngyak na eh. Kala wala eh. Lumipad.
Wala. $2 lang yan.
I hope so.
Okay.
I hope so.
Wala si Arion.
Bakit si Aaron wala?
Wala.
Ha? Wala, hindi siya kumakain ng tsokolate. Ah. Oh! Tingnan mo nga! Ay, si Aaron, wala?
Wala.
Si Aaron.